How long will it last?
The sealant is guaranteed for 10 years in residential applications. Based on testing, sealant has an expected life of at least 40 years.
Is the sealant safe?
The sealant is non-toxic and has been used in hospitals, schools, surgery centers, and government facilities all over the world.
What is the sealant material made of?
The primary component is a non-toxic vinyl acetate polymer, the same material used in water-based paints, hairspray, and chewing gum.
How long does it take to dry?
The drying time is less than 2 hours.
Is there an odor?
There is a mild odor, like Elmer's glue, during sealing. Odor should dissipate by the next morning or before.
Should I be in the house during the sealing process?
We prefer no one is in the house during sealing due to the impact on productivity. If you are pregnant, senior, an infant, or utilizing medical equipment, we do encourage you to leave as a simple safety precaution.
What is the sealant material made of?
The primary component is vinyl acetate polymer, used in water-based paints, hairspray, and chewing gum.
How big of a hole can be sealed?
Up to a 5/8 inch hole can be sealed during normal range of productivity.
What about very big leaks?
Broken and disconnected ducts and large leaks need to be fixed prior to sealing. If a hidden leak is uncovered during sealing, the process is stopped and a solution is discussed.
Where does the sealant leaking from the ducts go?
Sealant escaping from the ducts will settle in wall cavities, attics, or crawl spaces. During the process, we will filter the air to capture any sealant entering the living areas.
What about my electronics?
We do recommend, out of precaution, that sensitive electronics be covered.
What about my heating and cooling accessories?
The technicians are trained to protect all accessories prior to sealing. Some items, such as humidifiers or UV lights, may be removed and reinstalled to prevent damage. Others may be bagged or covered.
Can I clean my ducts after they've been sealed?
Ducts of all material types can be cleaned after sealing.
Should I clean my ducts before sealing?
To breathe healthier air, extremely dirty ducts should be cleaned. We recommend the technician assess the condition of the ducts prior to sealing.
Will the ducts be covered with sealant?
The Aeroseal process does not coat or line the ductwork. The only sealant remaining in the ducts will be at the previous leak.
How does the process work?
Duct sealing, utilizing the patented Aeroseal process, takes a non-toxic liquid sealant, heats and dries it to become an aerosol mist. The mist travels through a pressurized duct system and seals visible, invisible, and inaccessible leaks in the system. We guarantee it, and it's certified.
How do I know if my ducts leak?
According to the Department of Energy, homes leak between 25 and 40%. In simple terms, that means air is not getting to designed spaces, causing hot and cold spots in the house, excessive dust, and high energy bills.